Morning everyone. Now here we go, starting off with the topic of combinations. It's an exercise 7.4. So NCR's basic formula is factorial n divided by factorial r into factorial n minus r. Just factorial r gets included in the denominator. Rest of it is same. Now, what does combination basically applies? You have to refer to the first class of permutation combinations introduction. Combination is basically selection of things, and permutation is basically arrangement of things. Supposing I tell you that there are 10 flowers in this room, you have to arrange it. So you can arrange, and that will come under permutations. But when I say that there are 20 flowers in the bucket, and I have to put 10 flowers in my room, so you have to select from 20 to 10, so that time your answer will be 20C10. Okay, but if you have to arrange all those 10 flowers, then it will be 10P10, taking 10 flowers total and arranging them in 10 by taking all together. Okay, now moving on to C part, combination part. NC8 and equals to NC2. Now this is a theorem when the prefix is same. You have a equals to b or n equals to a plus b. Okay, therefore your quantity will be 45. N comes to be a plus b is your denominator part. 8 plus 2, it comes to be 10. So NC2 or 10C2 is given by, you choose whichever is easier, 45. Okay, now you have to determine n. To solve it's as simple as this. 2 factorial, just write the formula first, and then you'll have to simply cancel of things. Okay, factorial 2n minus 3, and then cancel off from the numerator as well as from the denominator. You take 2 common, and n minus 1 goes off from the numerator and the denominator as well, so you get an answer of 2n minus 1 by n minus 2 equal to 3. And then solving it, it's a class 8 numerical. After this, you just have to make sure you keep the formula in mind, and rest of the thing will fall into place as it is. N equals to 5. Similarly, question part number 2, you'll do it on your own, because it's very similar to part number 1. Okay, now coming to question number 3. How many chords can be drawn through 21 points on a circle? So 21 points on a circle. Now tell me that how can you draw a line? How many points are required to be drawn a line? So there are 21 points on a circle, and you have to draw a chord, basically a line. Line can be drawn in two ways. So you'll have to select amongst those 21 points. You have to select 2 lines. That can be anything. Now, how many ways you can select? 21C2. Great. Okay, and solve it, plain calculation, nothing else. 21 go back 2 times. 21 into 20 divided by factorial 19. 19 goes off. 21 20 21 into 10, 210. Now question number 4. How many ways can a team of 3 boys and 3 girls can be selected from 5 boys and 4 girls? 5 boys are there, select 3 boys. 5C3 multiply 4C3. Clear? 4 girls, you have to select 3 girls. That's it, done. Okay, then multiply those things, you'll get the answer. Now question number 5. How many number of ways are of selecting 9 balls, 6 red? Same question, same question. 5 white and 5 blue, each selection 3 balls of each color. So out here 3 balls of each color means 6 red, so you have to choose 3 balls. 5 say 3, 5 say 3 from blue. Okay, I told you now, each color should have, each balls should be 3 of each color particularly. So once you get the answer, you multiply these things, you'll get the answers. Now calculation out here is important. Now some students ask that, so what do we have to do we need to solve full? I say that if it's of 2 marks and the question is this big, you just write the number of ways and you keep it in factorial terms, you'll get the answer. But the moment the 2 marks changes to 4 marks, that means the teacher is expecting you to solve the answer and find the exact answer. Okay, so it all depends on the marks. What is it? If it's too big, the marks would be small, because The main logic, the main concept of the exams is to test your knowledge, not to test your durability. Okay, so that's it for question number 5. So question number 6, you have to do it on your own. It's as simple. 52 cards, each exactly one ace. You have to choose 5 cards. You use your brain, it's very simple. Okay, this is for your homework. So that's it for today's class. Make sure you copy this down and let me know if you face any problem in Google Classroom or in WhatsApp. Just leave me a text and I'll surely try and solve it. Okay, thank you class, have a nice day, bye bye.